Good morning, student. Today we are going to study education and British rule. In this previous class, we studied about the education in the British rule and Anglicist education, Hood's dispatch, and education under British. Today we are going to study about the national education. Many people were not satisfied with the Western system of education. It glorifies the Western sciences and culture. Indians advocated the need for national education that would encourage the youth to take pride in their culture. The first step is to set up the National Council of Education in the year of 1906. Impart education through vernacular language. Vernacular language means it is called as a local language. At the same time, retain English as a compulsory second language. Now also in our educational system, we have Tamil and English as our second language. Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore were two main persons attached to the cause of Indian education. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was very critical of British education. English Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was very critical of Western education. English education made Indians to see Western civilization as a superior and our own civilization as an inferior. So he urged the students to leave the Western education and proposed to the alternative education popularly known as Nai Talim. He was in favor of an educational system that would impact practical knowledge and make a person self-sufficient. Western education did not promote love and respect for one's own culture as well as the motherland. Rabindranath Tagore, he firmly believed that human beings are most creative and receptive in their natural surroundings. The classroom with four walls blocked the mind of the student. He opened a dream educational institution at Santiniketan. Here, the students could study varieties of subjects like science and technology, drama, dance, music, literature, language, mathematics, history, sculptures, paintings, and etc. In 1951, it became a central university and was named Vishva Bharati. In the national education, we have the case study education also. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan supported the Western science and English language. He wanted to create a scientific temperament among the Muslims of India. He translated the scientific words into Urdu so that even the common people they can understand the terms and the meanings of the scientific words and understand the subject, the scientific subject better. He founded the Mohammedan Anglo oriented school at Aligarh. It is combined British education with Islamic values. He raised the status of the school into the college. It was the first residential school in India. Residential school means the student will stay in the school itself and they will get the education. It is called as a residential school. The Islamic school that is in Aligarh, that is called as a Anglo Mohammedan Oriental School. That was constructed or founded by Sir Syed Ahmad. That is the first residential school in India. In 1920, the school it became the Aligarh Muslim University. This is the development of the national education in India. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.